Hello everyone, this is 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐲, Suzanne Harper. This is week number 13 of my Ozempic journey. I did not weigh myself this week because it's unlucky week 13, and we'll find out next week if I gained or lost any weight. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐲 is the name of my channel. Where did that name come from, you may ask, or you may not. It comes from my name, Suzanne, and the fact that I am a 31-year resident of Las Vegas, and the area code in Vegas is 702. So I'm 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐲. Welcome to my channel. And the topic today is skinny women ruling the world. Why is that? I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little sick of it. I'm sick of what's happening with this woman here in the video. Maybe she was out having a good day, sat down and get a breath of fresh air, and this happens. Here comes Miss Hottie sashaying along in her red dress. I'm not saying that everybody that is thin and in good shape and pretty and sexy uses that as a weapon to have an easier ride in life, but you know, most of them do. It's true. You know, and if you're lucky, you'll have a nice girlfriend that will hang out with you and help you through your fatness, like these two. Yeah, there's always a stick figure of a girlfriend that's gonna cheer you on and doesn't even have any idea of your battle. I speak from my own experience. I've been on both sides of the fence. I've been thin, I've been fat, and I got treated a little better when I was thinner. But to be honest with you, I was always confident, and I always demanded fair treatment. That's just who I was, and I think you should be the same way. But you know, it seems to be just a fact of life. I learned a long time ago in my working career that if you were thin, you were cute, you were a hottie, you were flirtatious with the managers, your job was a lot easier. You could hang out, you could slack off, no one would say a word to you while everybody else picked up the slack for you. The irony is they probably don't even realize it because they've never walked a mile in our shoes, being a heavy or obese person, and we get totally different treatment than they do. And if you're pretty on top of it, look out, double trouble. You know, pretty privilege, right? I've worked with a lot of women like that over the years. Yeah, maybe they did something wrong but didn't quite get in trouble. Wonder why? Yeah, pretty privilege. Do you think society has taken a giant step backwards in our evolution to put such great value on being skinny or being thin? It affects us in every area of our life. Our dating life, our health, our careers. For an example, say you're up for a promotion. It's you against a 30-year-old thin woman. You're equally qualified. Maybe you even have more years of service under your belt. Who do you think's going to get that promotion? Unfair. It's really unfair. I am just not going to... I'm mad as hell. And I'm doing something about it in my personal life. I have decided I'm going to be that thin woman. We try really hard being overweight. I mean, look at these three ladies on the treadmill. I give them a lot of credit. You notice they're not jogging on the treadmill like the thin girls are. They're just walking, and I congratulate them on that. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunistic women out there. They've got that secret weapon, you know. They've got that secret weapon. What we've had to do is develop other qualities, like our winning personalities, our intelligence, our street smarts. We had to develop those things to get by in life. You know, I really think you're ahead of the game, though, when you've developed all these other qualities. You're so much further ahead. and you'll get so much further ahead in life than somebody that has strictly relied on their looks to achieve anything in life. So whatever your reason was for starting this weight loss journey, in my case it was just for the sake of my health. I wish you the best on your journey. Even up the odds a little bit, you know. You are worthy. You're worthy of having everything you want in life. And you can't let something like your weight stand in your way. And you're going to conquer it this time. You have the weapons in your arsenal that you need. You're taking the medication, either Wegovy or OZEMPIC. You're upping your protein, drinking your water, and keeping busy with other things like I mentioned in my other videos. Don't get obsessed. Just go on about your life and watch it happen, because it will happen. And in the meantime, remember, once you get that hot body, don't be like those other women, okay? Sashaying down the street, making everybody else feel bad about themselves. That's not you. Thanks for watching today. This is Sue702. I'll check in with you again next week. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.